What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. So this is going to be the newest stock that I'm planning to invest in my portfolio, and that's going to be Coinbase. Guys, I'm very excited about Coinbase. I've been waiting for this stock to go ahead, or waiting for this company to go ahead and go public so I can finally go ahead and invest in this company. I'm excited to share with you guys that I am planning to go ahead and invest in this company this week. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead, do a deep dive in regards to all the things that I really like about Coinbase. Plus, we're going to poke some holes in regards to the valuation, plus some of the things that I believe Coinbase can do a little bit better and some of the improvements that they can go ahead and make. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. I love talking about anything to do with the stock market, making more money, making passive income, and different ways to go ahead and diversify. But let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Now, as far as Coinbase, what exactly is Coinbase? Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency trading platform in the United States. I really like Coinbase because it reminds me of a lot of Apple. They make everything very easy to go ahead and use. As far as investing in cryptocurrency, this is the easiest platform to go ahead and buy cryptocurrency with, and their user face is so simple and slow slick, so that's why it reminds me a lot of Apple. Now, as far as their IPO goes, Coinbase is looking to go ahead and have their IPO on April 14th. So I am going to be investing in this IPO, and I'll share with you guys my strategy as well. But because they're the largest cryptocurrency firm and they're the first cryptocurrency trading platform that is going public, this IPO has a lot of people watching it, and it's supposed to be the biggest IPO yet. With Coinbase, this company is planning to be valued at $80 to $100 billion just coming out of the gates. And as far as their stock price goes, they're supposed to have their stock price based on analysts around $200. But I do believe that this company is going to easily go ahead and 5x just within the first week. And then within the first quarter, I believe that there's a potential for this company to go ahead and at least 10x. So their stock price is supposed to start at about $200, but I think in the first couple of weeks, it's going to go ahead and jump above $1,000. And then I believe Coinbase might do a stock split. And then I believe it's going to have another potential to go ahead and 5x at that time. Now, I am going to be investing heavily in this company. I'm going to start a small position when the IPO starts, and then I'm just going to go ahead and dollar cost average into this stock. Now, I like investing in cryptocurrencies, and I started off with Coinbase. And anybody that I talk to about cryptocurrency, everybody said to go ahead and start off with Coinbase because it's the easiest one to go ahead and enter with. But some of the other things to also consider with Coinbase is they are one of the safest platforms to invest with. As far as the safety goes, this platform is second to none. And the recent revenues crossed $1.9 billion in just one quarter. All of last year, they did less than $1 billion in revenue, and just in the first quarter of this year, they crossed $1.9 billion in total revenue. That's a ninefold if you go ahead and compare quarter over quarter. Guys, that's nuts. I mean, obviously, we know cryptocurrency is really hot right now. So I do see that this is going to go ahead and level out probably by the end of this year. But this is the best time for Coinbase to actually release the IPO because their stock is going to go ahead and boom because the whole cryptocurrency market is on a rise. Now, the nice thing that I really like about investing in Coinbase is that you don't have to choose particular stocks to go ahead and invest in. You can just invest in the platform that has all the different cryptocurrencies that it offers. So you're investing in the overall asset class as opposed to individual cryptocurrencies that are out there. Now, the other nice thing that I like about Coinbase is the way they actually do their business. They ask for permission as opposed to forgiveness. And what that basically means, guys, is with them, they are very safe about the way they want to go ahead and do business. They go ahead and get all the regulatory stuff down first before they go ahead and grow. They're one of the only platforms that you can actually go ahead and invest in New York State. So this company is very safe. They go ahead and ask for permission before they go ahead and enter into a different market or go ahead and add other cryptocurrencies to their portfolio or to their assets that you can go ahead and invest with. Now, some of the opportunities that I do see for this company to go ahead and grow is currently with Coinbase. They don't offer a bunch of different options that a lot of the other cryptocurrency platforms do. And that's where I see a growth potential for them. As soon as Coinbase goes ahead and adds new assets and new cryptocurrencies that you can invest in, it's going to go ahead and bring more and more people that believe in those cryptocurrencies to their platform because it's the safest. Now, additionally, Coinbase currently offers about 50 cryptocurrencies to invest with, but they don't offer interest on any of the cryptocurrencies. Coinbase has an opportunity to go ahead and offer interest. Some of their competitors out there like Voyager, BlockFi, Gemini, all offer interest on Bitcoin and on some of the other cryptocurrencies out there, where once Coinbase offers that, I believe it's going to take a lot of the users from some of those other platforms back to Coinbase or on Coinbase. So that's another great opportunity that I believe Coinbase has, and they're just waiting to go ahead and IPO. And once they go ahead and IPO, I do believe that this company is going to go ahead and start offering some of these other features as well. Now, additionally, some of the other opportunities that I believe Coinbase has is as far as their credit card. Coinbase doesn't currently offer a credit card, but as the cryptocurrency or the crypto market expands, I believe Coinbase is also going to go ahead and be able to expand into credit cards where they can offer 1 to 3% in Bitcoin as far as a reward goes for using their credit card, and as well as their borrow feature. Coinbase recently did announce that you can go ahead and borrow from the cryptocurrency that you have invested with Coinbase, but the interest rate at this point is way too high. It's right around 8%. So as they work on some of these other ways to go ahead and diversify their income, and as long as they can go ahead and reduce the interest rates on their borrow, they're going to have more and more people investing in them because they're offering more and more features. So if you believe, like me, in this overall asset class, this is one of the safest ways, in my opinion, to invest in cryptocurrency because you're invested in the overall asset class as opposed to a particular cryptocurrency. Now, as far as my investment goes, I am planning to just dollar cost average into this cryptocurrency every single week to grow my position into a large position with Coinbase. I do believe in this asset class, and I do believe that eventually every single government is going to have a digital token, and wallets and digital wallets are going to be a thing going into the future. Plus, with new DeFi projects coming out and with new platforms like Cardano's, Polkadots, I mean, there's a lot of different platforms out there and a lot of different tokens that are just coming out. It's just going to keep expanding this whole asset class. So that's my bullish case and bullish scenario around investing in Coinbase. And guys, this is just the start, in my opinion. This is the first cryptocurrency trading platform to go ahead and go public, and I believe this is going to go ahead and cause a ripple effect with Gemini, with Voyager, with BlockFi, and with a lot of these other trading platforms that are also probably going to go ahead and look into going public. So I'm very excited for this, and this is going to be a stock that is going to be a 10x growth stock in my portfolio. Now, if you want to keep up with all the different stocks that I have in my portfolio, I do go ahead and focus on investing in growth stocks that I see a 10x potential for. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And guys, if you have any comments, let me know in the comments down below as well. If you are interested in trading, I do invest with M1 Finance as well as Robinhood. I'll leave the links down in the description, but you do get $30 when you go ahead and set up an account with M1 Finance. It's a limited time offer, so go ahead and check that out. But thanks again, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys at the next one.